most people think that you need 10,000 or even 100,000 followers to start getting brand deals. But that's completely wrong because I got mine with just 4,000 followers. And in this video, I'm going to teach you how you can do the same from zero. No fake hacks, no unrealistic strategies, just what works. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Priyanshu and I create content around fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. And if you are a content creator who wants to grow on social media, get PR packages, and start working with brands, then this video is going to be a complete beginner guide just for you. Okay, let's be honest. Social media these days has become so much more competitive. You are posting anything random and hoping that it goes viral is not a strategy. And the biggest mistake beginners make is to think that followers equals money. Not true, not true. Brands don't care how many followers you have, they care what kind of audience you have and how you present yourself. So, with that, let's go to the very first step, which is to pick a niche. You can't just post anything and expect a brand to understand what you do because they will not. For example, I make content on fashion, beauty, and lifestyle, so any brands in that space can clearly see if I am a good fit or not. So, one question that you need to ask yourself, what kind of content do I want to be famous for? That is your niche. Because brands don't follow creators, they follow category. Keep that in mind. And step two is to make your profile brand ready. And when I say this, I want to say is that before you start pitching out to brand, before you start reaching out to them, your profile needs to look professional. And it has like a very easy step that anyone can do. Very first, your bio should tell what you do. Second, you need to have those highlights organized with all your contents that is showcasing your contents. And your feed needs to look consistent. Like it should not look like you have posted something like 4 weeks ago and right now you're posting a random story. No, your feed needs to look consistent. Another simple question for yourself is, if you were a brand, would you pay yourself? And after that, our step three is our content strategy. Okay, and before I go into this, make sure you stay till the end because I will be giving a very important thing at the end of this video. So stay tuned. Step three is a content strategy. Like, let's be honest, content is everything because we are a content creator on social media. So we want to be growing with our content, right? But let's be clear, like what's the easy way to grow, because these days the short formed video like reels and TikToks are growing too fast, and which can be a easiest and fastest way for you to grow. But just don't post anything over there because your content should follow a simple structure: hook, value, and call to action. For example, when someone says, like, you might be thinking like, what kind of video? For example, someone is saying three perfumes under 100 euros which smells luxury. Like, see, this kind of videos literally make you hook into that video because this kind of videos are attractive to both brands and the audience. Now, as we have talked about those three steps, now let's discuss how you can actually get your very first brand deal. In the beginning, you don't have to be aiming for a big shots. We can start small, right? Because we are just starting as a content creator, and here we are not building a proof, we are building a portfolio. So you can DM them, you can email them. And those who say that you just need to post good content and brand will come to you, they will reach out to you, that's so not true, because you need to do that first as a small content creator. But always make sure that you keep it simple and professional. And yes, your first brand collaboration can be unpaid. And that's completely okay because here, as I already said, we are still building our portfolio and credibility. And that's what I did. My very first collaboration was unpaid. And I'm so happy that I did that because that helped me to grow further. And as we are talking about brand deals and collaborations, let's also talk about PR packages, because once you start posting, you might be getting noticed by brands and you might be getting the PR packages. Now, what's a PR package? A PR package is like a barter system where you will be getting products from the brands and you need to make contents for them. And it's basically unpaid. But again, here we are not building any proofs, right? We are just getting ourselves some credibilities And let's take it this way, that this is the very first step into the industry. Now, this is the most important part. And honestly speaking, this is where most of the creators they lose the opportunity. A lot of people they don't know what to send to the brand, they don't know how to pitch, they don't know what to say or how to stay professional. And that's exactly why beginners don't get replies. So instead of just creating a media kit, I have built a complete brand starter kit just for the beginners. Inside this, you are not just getting a media kit template, you are also getting a ready to use email template that you can literally just copy paste and send to the brand. Plus, you will also get a brand collaboration guide that will teach you a step by step process how to approach to the brand even if you are starting from zero. And on top of that, I've also kept a content calendar in this kit so that you can post strategically and consistently. So basically, it's everything that I wished I had when I started. So if you are serious about growing on social media, getting PR packages, working with brands, then this might be something really helpful to you. So don't forget to check out in the description. It's going to save you a lot of time and it will help you to stay professional from day one. Okay, now let's talk about turning all these deals into the paid collaborations, because once you have done so many collaborations, you are ready to show your results, you are ready to show your engagement, you are ready to show your content quality, and now the brands will start noticing you, and that's exactly when you will start charging. Because you always have to remember that brands they pay for results, not just for content. So if you are starting from zero, don't overthink it, just start posting, stay consistent, and always keep improving. That I always say to everyone, and that's how we grow as a content creator. And let me be very honest with you, social media is not super easy, but if you do everything right, then it's 100% possible. So if this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.